Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are in the backyard because we're gonna be working on the last project of the summer, which is my outdoor kitchen and my pergola dining area. You guys are gonna love the new pergola that we just set up. Cannot wait to show you. And also you're gonna get to spend a Sunday grilling with us and what we do on Sunday usually. So it's family time around here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and let me know down in the comments what you thought of the new project that we just did in the backyard. Partnered with Gardesol on today's video. They were nice enough to send me a pergola to share with you guys, and let me tell you, it's not just any pergola. They have a great selection, different sizes, and it's very high quality aluminum. So here's how everything came in, nicely packed, and of course the guys got to work right away. This is on a Saturday, so this is their little project right here. The cool thing about this pergola is that definitely is something that you could do at home with your family, your spouse. You don't need a professional to install this pergola. It's very user-friendly. So I chose the louvered pergola, and this one it's gonna be on a 10 by 20 feet. And here's my stepdad and Jonathan putting this together, and they started with the poles. You know, everything is in the instruction. It's very friendly. They also have a video on their website where you could see the assembly process as well. So this is something that you could do in a couple of hours. It honestly took them less than 3 hours, and then my brother got there to save the day, and you know, they started doing it, the three of them. But honestly, 2 people, you get this done with you and your husband or whoever you want to do it with. It's very easy to put together.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with colors and I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today, and I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade.
Done with the framing of the pergola, they went ahead and started installing the louvers. They come individually, and it's super cool to see the pergola come to life, you guys. It is the perfect size for the space and exactly what we needed. Shade on this area so we could sit down and dine outside.
And I will try to fix what has been broken and take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past.
And you guys, this is how everything looks now, and I am seriously obsessed with this pergola. Let me just talk about this gazebo. You can adjust the roof to get sunshade or just, you know, close it whenever you don't want the sun or the rain to come in, and you could close them fully. They have an integrated drainage system as well. The rain will be diverted through the integrated gutter system, and they are made of very good high quality aluminum. I'm telling you, it's super sturdy. I love how it looks super modern and so clean, you guys. And let me tell you, this is way more affordable. I was quoted for over $16,000 for a pergola this size, and look, it is under $4,000, and it's something that you could do at home as a DIY project. Let's check the description box because I'm going to be linking this pergola, and I'm also going to be giving you guys a $100 coupon code, so don't forget to check the description box. So guys, I wanted to share with you a little behind the scene. On Sunday we did a little barbecue, and I wanted to share with you. So for my burgers, all I do is I just put salt, pepper, and oregano, and everybody loves them, find them so well. And I like to make this baked potato side dishes because it goes well with any type of meat on a barbecue and it just saves my day. So here I am just washing them again. I wash them so many times. I know I'm OCD. So after I cut them like in little chunks, right? They look like this. I'm gonna season them with my parsley and garlic that I made myself. And I'm just gonna add a bunch of that and move that around in there to mix it well. I add a little bit of olive oil and also some salt and pepper to taste. So I don't measure anything, you guys. I just kind of taste it. If it tastes good to me, it's good to go. And then before I put it on the oven, I like to add a little bit more fresh parsley. I just cut that through there and add some butter and just put it in a baking pan to get it ready for the oven. Yes, I'm gonna make my crab dip, which is one of my favorite and everybody's favorite when they come to my barbecues. So here you're gonna need cilantro, limes, tomatoes, and of course salt and pepper to taste. And this is an easy one, you guys. As you can see, I'm chopping all my tomatoes really nicely chopped. This tastes like a ceviche, and I usually get my lump crab meat at BJ's. Okay, you guys need to try this. It is simply delicious, so easy to make, and healthy. So the next thing that I like to make is a salad. We usually do cabbage with cilantro, and it's an easy one and it tastes so good. And this is how I serve my crab dip with some plantain strips. And we were ready to go barbecuing. Well, not me, but the guys. So while they were outside doing barbecue, we were inside making passion fruit margarita. If you follow me for a while, then you know that I shared this recipe with you guys so much. Here's my sister-in-law actually making it because she makes it the best, to be quite honest. So here's everything you're gonna need, and you guys try this at home and let me know how you like it because I love it. To serve the margarita, we put a ring of sugar for mine and tahini with salt for the rest of the party because that's how they like it. And with tahini, I like it too. It tastes yummy either way, but I just wanted sugar on this day. You guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video gives you some inspiration and ideas for your next barbecue and also for your outdoor space.